Hi everybody, I am going to discuss Python, Python programming language. In this video, I am going to discuss basic concept of Python programming, how Python can be installed, the different integrated development environment through which we can run the Python and create small program in Python. So this is the first video of Python. Hi everybody, I am going to discuss Python. This is the first video Python programming. In this video, I am going to discuss the basic concept of Python programming and how Python software can be installed in your computer and some simple programs. Introduction of Python programming. Python introduction. Python is a widely used high-level programming language for general-purpose programming created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python features a dynamic type system and automatic memory management and support multiple programming paradigm include object-oriented, imperative, and functional programming and procedural style. It has a large and comprehensive standard library. It has a large comprehensive standard library. Python elegant syntax and dynamic typing together with its interpreted natures make it ideal language for scripting and rapid development in many areas on most platforms. Python interpreter is easily extended with new functions and data type implemented in C++ or any other programming language uh, uh, callable from C. Python is also suitable as an extension language for customizable application. Python is simple to use, but it is a real programming language offering much more structure and support for large programs than shell script or batch file can offer. On the other hand, Python also offers much more error checking than C. Being a high-level language, Python also allows us to split your program into modules that can be reused in other Python programs. It comes with a large collection of modules that can be used as a basis of your programs. Python programs written in Python are generally much shorter than equivalent C, C++, Java for several reasons. The high-level data type allow us to express complex operation in single statement. Statement grouping is done by indentation instead of beginning and ending brackets. No variables or arguments declared are necessary. So these are the basic features of Python programming. Python is widely used as high-level language program. So it is a high-level language program created in 1991. Python mainly it's provide dynamic type systems and automatic memory management. It has a automatic memory management support multiple programming paradigm. Multiple programming means it support object oriented, it support SOP, POP, and procedural style also. It has a large library, standard library, inbuilt standard library are there. Python syntax and type checking together is interpreted nature. It is an interpreter. There is an interpreter. It check one line at a time, then next line and so on. Python interpreter is easily extended into new function data type implemented in C++. It can be easily extended and suitable for extension language for customizable applications. Suitable for customizable application. Python is simple to use, but it is a real programming language offering much more structure and support for large programs than shell script or batch file can offer. Python also offer error checking than C. Being a high-level programming language, it allows to split your program into modules. Python allows to split your program into modules. That module can be reused in any other Python programs. And Python is much shorter. The high-level data type are there, done by indentation instead of beginning and ending brackets. Process of Python. To install Python, you can type Python download to install Python. You can type Python download from Google. This is the Python website www.python.org. Click the link. These are the Pythons. There is a download option. This is the download option. These are all releases of Python versions. These are the versions of Python. Current version is Python 3.9.0, October 5. Release date is October 5th, 2020. You can download by clicking here. By the next one is Python 3.8.6, September 24. Python 3.5.10, 10, 3.7.9, 3.6.2. These are the different versions of Pythons. These are the different versions of Python. If you want to download Python 3.9.0, then you click here. I am using Python 3.7. Click here. I'm using Python 3.7 IDE, LE. This is Python 64-bit. Just click Python 3.7 IDE, LE. This is integrated development environment. Then this is the prompt. Here, this is the prompt of Python 3.7.0 shell. Here, click new file. Save the file. Suppose program one. So name of the file is program one dot extension is py. Program one dot py. Then right here the code. So print within double quote. You can use single quote also. Hello world. No need to write any semicolon. And suppose print. This is my first Python program. It's my first Python program. Then you can write any other information also. After completing the instruction, save it. And there is a run option. And run module. And output is hello world. This is my first Python program. So running a program in Python. And environment also there is a PyCharm community edition. You can download this PyCharm software from Google. PyCharm is an integrated environment. You can also use PyCharm community 2020.2. This is an integrated development environment for Python. This is the environment for PyCharm loading components. This is the PyCharm integrated environment. You can write the code here. Print code here. Print hello. Hello world. Then next line there is interpreted. Next line int this is our first program. This is our first program. Then run it from the run option, from the run menu bar. Run main. You can use shift 10 also. You can use shortcut. You can run using run main. The output is so this is the world. This is our first program. So in this way, you can use this PyCharm environment also. Stop and return. When you change some code here, suppose you can use you can add some instructions, then run again. There is a line. There are lines 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a line. Print suppose in double quote Python. Then run again. The output of this program is hello world. This is our first program, Python. So in this way you can use this PyCharm IDE. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is the first video of Python programming. In the remaining video I will discuss variable and data type of Python programming and a few small programming using Python. I will discuss Python programming in full details. This is the first video of Python programming. Remaining videos I will discuss every topics of Python programming. Every topic will be discussed in details. I will discuss Python programming in Bengali as well as English version. Thank you very much for watching this video.